Industrial design can really encapsulate a lot of different career paths. Anything from actually creating the product in which we interact with to the digital interfaces that people interact with. We study the needs that people have, understand what people want, and design for that.
Ever since I was a kid, I would always love building stuff.
I've always been a creative kind of person. I've always liked to make things, I've always liked to draw, and it seemed like industrial design was the next step for that.
Growing up, I was definitely a very creative person. I did a lot of business and engineering courses related to high school, and so went on a tour at Kean, and the second I stepped on campus, it just made me feel like home.
We are a very industry parallel program. We replicate and simulate what's happening in the real world, and the best way to do is bringing either professional companies into class or have our design briefs very close to what's happening in the world, following the trends.
The very first product I made was a computer mouse. We designed the computer mouse from sketching to prototyping to the exploded view on what is supposed to be inside of that, so we can make our own design believable and it would actually work.
We had a dog toy company called Benabone. They came to us and they told us, we want you guys to design the next dog toy for us. Once you see that idea that was in your head and it's right in front of you, it was very satisfying, very rewarding.
I think the experiences we provide the students are phenomenal. The idea that during your 4 years in our program, you can travel all over the world. You can go to Rome for our study abroad. You can go to our campus in China. We have so many independent programs that run with different classes. You can go to Brazil.
When I studied abroad, I worked on a project with my collaborative studio where we partnered with an Italian company called TVS. They're a pots and pans and homewares brand, and pitched our final idea to the CEO and their marketing team.
I feel like I win a $1 million lottery every time I see a student get an award or present a project in a prestigious venue.
The professors, all of them are like mentors here. If you go up to one of them, even if you don't even have a class with them, they're gonna help you out. They're gonna give you constructive feedback that you can actually use in your product and make it better.
It's super cool to see your ideas go from nothing to something, and that's just a really rewarding experience.